welcome back to the channel. So let us see now the NAS 100, the US 100 cash CFD analysis for today, the levels expected by the market and the market scenario for the next day that we will do the analysis. Alright, the session started here. Alright, so after consolidation or rounding bottom, and after this consolidation, we got to know that it is not able to sustain above the resistance level of 10945. Okay, it couldn't sustain above the level of 10,945, and from there it got a rejection, and it just gave a confirmation that after this first target of this swing low, we booked, and just after the confirmation when the candle was formed, we got to know that it's going to fall further, and then we took our target to the next level, which was this zone high. All right, we booked here, and after this confirmation in this candle, we made an entry, and again we made an entry in the buy direction for going long for retest of this historical white trend line. All right, so now let us see what is for the next sessions. It is for the same for NAS 100 to go high. We will wait for it to at least give a closing of the level of 10,995, or you can say around level of 11,000. Till the time it is not above 11,000, we will not take any sharp or any what we say a strong buy side trade. All right, and now for now what the levels of NAS 100 will be the same as historical trend line, and this zone has a low of 10,088. Okay, 700 point zone. Okay, let me bring it to the 1 hour time frame. All right, so for now it is a good consolidation. We'll wait and we'll see after this last swing is broken, we'll again take a trade. Our condition will be the retest of this swing low, of the recent swing low. All right, so this is the conviction for the NAS 100 for the sessions for today till tomorrow, which will be doing some scalping between these levels, and also this is a consolidation of some triangle pattern, so we'll see to it also what sort of breakout it is giving in the short term. All right, if this swing is broken, we can go for doing shorting. Okay, again the target will be this zone high and the last swing low, which was made by the NAS 100. Okay, so and this is all about the analysis of NAS 100 that we have for now. And for your comfort level, you can have. Okay, also there is this swing level. All right, you can see the swing level. If it is coming above, it can take a spike of to the swing level somewhere near it is 10,085. Okay, 10,880, 85. Okay, so we can work between these levels for NAS 100 for now. Okay, so I hope you're enjoying the journey of learning and earning, and you're the people who are enrolling for the course, they're earning as well. Just don't do gambling in this market because it is a very big market, very volatile market. It can give you money, but it can also make you bankrupt. So I'm not saying to learn from me or learn from my course, but yes, to learn is very important because this is a field, it is a pure business. Alright, so that's it for the analysis of NAS 100 for today till tomorrow. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep trading, keep your profits intact. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. And yes, stop loss is very important. I'll see you in the next one.